We'll wait for 2 minutes, guys, 2 more minutes, and we'll start. For account creation, do you guys have any questions for topics which we covered till today? Yesterday somebody asked Active Directory वाला topic थोड़ा सा clear नहीं था, so we will be covering that today. उसके अलावा किसी का कोई और question है for any topic which we covered अब तक, or which we discussed, anything related to infrastructure, related to cloud, anything? Anyone has any question?
No, no, sir.
Okay, so let's proceed then. I will explain Active Directory and Domain Controller once again, and we will also see account creation today on Microsoft Azure. We did see it yesterday. We'll repeat it again, and today we'll see subscription purchasing. I think the person who did yesterday, she is not here today. So as it is, we'll have to purchase one account and check some details. So let's do that. Anyone who's ready for a subscription, anyone who tried or who is ready with a subscription, किसी ने purchase किया subscription और account पे ये बनाया, किसी ने portal पे account वगैरह बनाया? Anyone is ready with that? Yes, guys. Anyone tried?
Solve I tried, but after creating account, it is asking for the card number and CVV number, all those things.
It will ask. It will charge you 2 rupees to give. You can't see my screen. Can others see my screen? Can all of you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so Irfan bhai, you will
Yes.
have to reconnect, I guess, because sharing is started. I and others can see my screen, so I think you will have to reconnect. You could just disconnect the call and rejoin. It should fix your problem. Okay, so I'm creating a virtual machine meanwhile, and this is just to explain what Active Directory is. So I will not be explaining you these options के virtual machine में क्या क्या options होते हैं. I'm not explaining these options to you. It is just, I'm just creating this for to explain Active Directory. Do we have Riaz here? Yes, Riaz is there. Okay. Anyone else? कोई और question है इसके अलावा other than Active Directory? So this is how you create a virtual machine. We will discuss this in detail, don't worry. As of now, I'm just doing it so I could show you something on a server. I need a server to explain something. So I'm quickly creating one server for myself. And when I say server here, I'm installing my own operating system here. So which service am I using? Which is the service model here? Which service model am I using?
Software as service. No, pass. I think pass.
No, I said I'm installing my own operating system. I'm installing my operating system. I'm not.
I
taking-
IAS.
Yes, it is
Infra.
infrastructure. It is infrastructure I'm taking because I'm selecting all my details and I'm creating my own server here. I will be selecting networking वगैरह यहाँ पर मैंने खुद अपना select किया, IPs मैंने खुद अपने select किए. I could change these IPs. I could have done this. If I wanted to change this IP, I can do it from here. IP range वगैरह. So when I'm selecting all that, when I'm doing all this, that means I am creating my operating system here. I'm installing my operating system here. So what I'm taking on rent is just their hardware and their infrastructure. So it is infrastructure as a service. Don't worry, ये सब हम जब virtual machine का topic करेंगे, so I will explain to you each and everything from basics के क्या क्या pick किया हम लोगों ने क्या नहीं किया. Today is not the topic, इसलिए मैंने इसको just next किया, but आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए, इसलिए I'm sharing it. I would have created it last time. मैंने पहले से ही create करके रखा था. This time I thought I will show it to you guys. तो यहाँ पर देखो ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने सिलेक्ट की है कि कौन सा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होगा, इसका नेटवर्किंग क्या होगा, बूट डायग्नोसिस डेटा होगा या नहीं होगा, शटडाउन टाइम होगा या नहीं होगा, कुछ इसमें वीएम का कोई एप्लीकेशन इसमें होगी या नहीं होगी, सर्वर का नाम क्या होगा, इसका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कौन सा होगा, उसमें रैम कितनी होगी, इसमें वर्चुअल सीपीयूज कितने होंगे, इसके कौन से पोर्ट ओपन करने होंगे. सो दिस डिटेल व्हेन आई एम गोइंग, which means that I am creating this server. When I'm creating this server, right, when I'm creating this server, इसका मतलब ये होगा कि I'm using their infrastructure and I'm creating my own platform. So someone is asking how to have multiple subscriptions and on one account. We'll see that also. Do we have Kumail today? Yes. So Kumail, are you ready for a subscription to buy a subscription with your credit card? Kumail, can you hear me?
Sorry, sir, I just came back actually. Oh, what were you asking?
So I am asking that are you ready to purchase a subscription from your credit
Yeah,
card?
let's go.
Okay.
I hope it won't charge like Netflix, right? The next month.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Okay, so meanwhile this machine is being created. I have given those instructions. Machine यहाँ पर ये हो रही है. So meanwhile I will stop sharing my screen. We will see Kumail's screen. There we will try to see. Kumail has already created an account on Azure portal. We see that yesterday already. Anyone has any question? Try creating an account and do ask me कि कैसे उसमें कोई doubt आ रहा है क्या. What we did not see is purchasing a subscription. So here Kumail has already got one subscription. Kumail is from previous batch. He's already completed few things. और AZ104 complete करने के बाद भी AZ104 certification complete करने के बाद he has got one free subscription. So he already has one subscription and now we are adding another subscription. So someone asked me that how could we have multiple subscriptions? So that question will be answered here. And for people who are purchasing new subscription, they will also understand how to purchase a new subscription. So adding one and purchasing a new one, exactly same process. उसमें कोई भी difference नहीं है. Meanwhile, my machine is ready here. And if you guys remember, मैंने एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंस्टॉलेशन बताया था आपको. इट एटलीस्ट टुक हाफ एन आवर और 1 hour, दो वो पूरा सेटअप नहीं हुआ था, बट एटलीस्ट it took 1 hour. And here you see within 5 minutes I have my server ready and up and running. I can simply go and log into this IP. Not only me, any one of you can go and connect to this IP as far as you have my user ID and password. If I share this user ID and password with you, any one of you can go to this IP and take RDP to the server. Anyone wants to try, they can do it. I can share the user ID and password. So this is how, this is simple technique which we have this. Let me open this. So this is how we can quickly get a server up and running. It hardly took 5 minutes and I have my server up and running. So this is the benefit or beauty of cloud we have. So I will work on this. Meanwhile, I will stop my screen share and let Kumail share his screen. Kumail, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay, so I have stopped my screen. Now, Kumail, could you please start sharing your screen? So now we are looking at the Kumail's screen. Okay, this is the portal where you go. You can create your new account. We already saw that yesterday, the how to create a new account. Today we will see how to purchase a subscription. Before Kumail, just give me a minute, I'll quickly explain.
Okay.
So before we go ahead, do you guys have any confusion कि subscription और account में क्या difference है? Just because you have an account, it is as good as ये समझ लो आपको कि यहाँ पर आके आपने जो है ना ये कर लिया है. Now if it is a housing society or something, you have just entered the gate. आपने Azure portal पे अपनी सिर्फ एंट्री कर ली है. As of now, you cannot use any services. You are not a member as of now. You are not a tenant as of now. So to have a tenancy on Azure portal, you should have a subscription. Is it clear?
Yes.
What about others? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Yes.
Sir, you want me to make it on your subscription?
Sorry.
I mean, your tenant instead of mine, because I think there are people to practice, right?
No.
You want me to switch the directory to yours?
No.
Piece of solution.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Why? I'll tell you. Because maybe these guys now you will not understand what question he asked. You will get it when we cover that topic. But Kumail, if you switch it to my directory, then you will not be able to use your free tier, because I have this directory. Under this directory, I have already used my free subscription way back. I have already used with my PAN card number, so you won't be able to do that. So you'll have to
Okay.
be on your own directory, under your own company. Then only you will get your free trial. Okay. So now, so could you please go to your directory and let me explain it to these guys. Hey, don't go to active. Okay, fine. Go to Active Directory. Yes. Click on Manage Tenants. Okay, guys. Before we proceed and before I show you guys how to purchase a subscription, let me explain this to you. What is this tenant, or what is this Azure Active Directory? Azure Active Directory, Azure tenant, it is nothing. I already told you. कल ही हम लोगों ने discuss किया था. It is your company. Like this is my company, tsoftinfosolutions.online. This Kumail has registered a company with this name. See, if I have purchased one name, I will get the name like this. अगर ये मैंने purchase किया domain, इसलिए मुझको एक ऐसा नाम मिल रहा है. You do not want to purchase, you give any name, जो भी आपके पसंद का है, आपका नाम है, whatever name you want to give, Badshah, Fakir, whatever you want to keep it, and then you will get an extension that on Microsoft.com. If you want a register name, a dedicated name, you will have to purchase a domain. If you are happy with this name, you give whatever name you want to. In fact, आप लोग अपने email से बनाओगे ना, तो आपका email यहाँ पर दिखेगा. Example, if I'm creating with tsoftinfosolution@gmail.com, so यहाँ पर ऐसा दिखेगा tsoftinfosolution@gmail.com on Microsoft.com. You will see this when you start creating it. But what is this? What is a domain? What is a domain and what is a tenant? Almost दोनों same चीज है. It is registering my company. Just because I have a domain here, that does not mean I can start using service. I will require one subscription under this domain. So अभी तक subscription हमारे पास नहीं है. I hope you guys can see the screen and I hope you guys can see these annotations, right?
Yes.
Okay. So right, one more thing. Now Kumail has logged in with his ID, with his Gmail ID. Kumail, can you click here? I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Okay, can you see this talking Tsoft? Because of this, I'm not able to see Kumail's right. Okay, right. So Kumail has logged in with his ID kumail.lokhanwala@gmail.com. Okay. With this ID, he has created this account, and with this ID, he has got access on my account. That is the reason under this ID, he see two organizations. So as a Kumail as an employee now, or Kumail as an employee or as a resource has access to two clients. What it is showing, or when you actually go to when you go to the work environment, ऐसे ही होगा आप लोगों का मे बी एक आधा आईडी हो सकता है कुछ kumail@ice.com और kumail@tcs.com, kumail@ibm.com, जिस भी कंपनी के लिए आप लोग काम कर रहे हो वो. And here you will see your client's ID. Multiple clients के अलग आप लोग काम कर रहे हो, so you will see multiple IDs here. For example, if you are working for some bank, Citibank, so you'll see citibank.com, you'll see Synergy, you will see let's say you are working for YouTube, you'll see youtube.com, you're working for Google, or whoever your client is Info Group, you will see Info Group here. जो भी आपका client है वो सब आपको यहाँ पर दिखेगा. So you will have one ID and you will have multiple tenants here, multiple Azure Active Directory you could be a part of. Now that is completely up to your client. I'm not saying that this is the only way. You could have now here, instead of this, Kumail could have a user. ऐसा भी एक user कर सकता हूँ मैं, that kumail@tsoftinfosolution.com. I could give this user. I do not want Kumail to use a common ID. I could give this user, और Kumail जब login करेगा then he will see only one directory. I could do that. वैसे ही अगर आपके कोई client है Google वगैरह, they do not want to share your ID कहीं पर भी, वो single भी दे सकते हैं. But this is the feature available. Hence you are seeing two directories or two tenants. So is it clear, guys, what I have explained? थोड़ा सा अगर confusion है, so let me know. I will explain it again.
Okay, confusion.
Yes, guys. Yes, no, maybe clear है, कोई confusion है?
Clear है.
Okay. I got one text here that they didn't get the last part. What about others?
Actually, even sorry, when I didn't get the last part, as in you mentioned that if my username is, for example, in Google and it won't show up here, if I want that also. That's something what you said, or you meant
Yes,
something
we could
else?
do that. We could do that. Will cover थोड़ा थोड़ा जब आता है custom domain
Okay.
वाले topic में वो cover हो जाएगा. Anyone who
अच्छा,
did
तो
not understand
इधर
the
नहीं दिखेगा.
approach of hiding ID, yes. Don't worry, we'll cover that again. उसको मैं अभी भी explain भी कर रहा हूँ, but वो एक detailed topic भी आने वाला है. Yes, anyone else, guys? एक approach किसी के नहीं समझ में आया कि ये दो क्यों दिख रहे हैं, या फिर what are we doing here exactly? Approach किसी के नहीं समझ में आया? Don't worry about the nitty-gritties. वो will do that in detail. आप लोग खुद अपना domain बनाओगे भी, उसको register भी करोगे, will do that. So don't worry about it. ठीक है? Anyone who did not understand the approach overall? Yes, guys. Anyone who did not understand? Like, you can ping me. You can question here on WhatsApp, or you can simply mute yourself. Yes, Riaz raised his hand. Yes, did you understand? Did you not understand? What is it?
Not understand.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay, let's keep this topic. We will repeat it again. We'll repeat it again. As of now, don't get confused. Forget this one. इसको हम पूरा detail में repeat करते हैं. Let's focus on purchasing a subscription again. So now forget what you are saying here. Forget कि आप लोगों को ये दो क्यों दिख रहा है. Let's assume that you have just logged in on Azure portal, and the moment you log into your Azure portal, Kumil, could you go to home page, please? Okay, this is how you will see. You won't be able to create any virtual machine or anything. कल मैंने बताया था कि how it looks and why you won't be able to create, because you do not have any subscription. So how to purchase a subscription? Click on subscriptions, Kumil, and anyone who has an account and they're trying to purchase a subscription could follow these steps, please. And all of you don't do that. We have already one person who has purchased a subscription, and this is the second account we will be having. तो मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि सब अभी purchase करके रख ले और 30 दिन में उसको सब लोग utilize भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. Right? So you could follow these steps, but do not purchase it now, because now we have Kumail's and we have Sonam's account, and we will see कि ये सबका account share कैसे करना है. We will see that. अभी Kumail केस पे ही हम 2-4 लोगों को access दे देंगे. Yes, Kumail, could you click on add? Someone who doesn't have a subscription, that person we will not see any subscription here listed. ये जो Kumail केस में दिख रहा है already, ये आप लोगों को नहीं दिखेगा. So person who asked me that how to have multiple subscriptions, this is how you can have. You could go to subscriptions and you can see your existing subscription, and then you will see your a new subscription, and you can click on add, and then you will see your eligible subscription. So as of now I can see, okay, you won't see this one. Okay, you will see it blank. You'll have to click on add subscription. But now I can see, I think we'll require someone else, another volunteer. I can see free trial is not eligible for Kumail. For some reason, maybe because he has got this subscription for some reason, but free trial, he is not eligible for free trial. ज़्यादा exhaust कर लिया कुमेल आपने Microsoft को, so they have revoked your free trial. ठीक है? Okay.
नाम पसंद है उनको.
Anyone else who's ready with their Azure account and can share his or her screen, and we can look for the free trial. We can look for a purchasing.
I'll stop sharing my screen. Right?
Yes, you can. I'll start sharing my screen, or let me check. Anyone is there? Yes, Isaac, are you ready? Can you share your screen?
Solved by just sharing.
So it should not be that because I have a user ID on your subscription also. I mean, in your tenant. So because of that, it must be causing an issue.
No,
Would
no,
that be the case or no? Nothing
no,
like that.
no. Okay, guys, you थोड़ा सा difficulty होगी maybe understand करने में, but yes, you'll have to bear with this. Azure portal login, you can type. Second option, right? So have you already created your new account?
Yeah, I created.
Okay. So
Okay.
guys, I hope you guys are, no, you can simply log in then. I think your account was already there. Okay, fine. You can sign in from here also. कहीं से भी sign in करना है हमको. That's okay. नहीं, not with the organization. नहीं, click back, not with your organization. Yeah, type your email ID and password, simple. कौन सा email ID यूज किया था आपने कल? वही वाला email ID यहाँ पर टाइप कीजिए.
Given the phone number.
Then type your phone number. It has an option, email, phone number, or Skype. So type your phone number. Right, guys. Whoever did not understand इसके पहले वाला topic, leave it. We will cover that in detail. But I hope everyone knows how to create an account, and I will recommend try using your email address while creating this account. आप लोगों का email address use करो instead of phone number. ठीक है? But let's go and see this. So once you log into your page without subscription, this is how you should see.
Password is not taking.
You can click on forgot password. These are common issues now we will be facing, and now we will be working on this. ये होता ही रहने वाला, कभी कोई पासवर्ड भूल गया, कुछ हो गया तो कैसे, how to do that. ज्यादा से ज्यादा भी हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल पे ही फोकस करने वाले हैं. Until you see, I can do this, guys. If you want, I can. Okay, click on yes. I can quickly have a dummy email address. एक क्रेडिट कार्ड लेके I could do it in 2 seconds or 2 minutes maybe. I could purchase a new subscription, but unless you guys do it, जब तक पोर्टल पे जाके आप क्लिक नहीं करते हो ना, तो वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग आती ही नहीं है. Trust me on this. Click on virtual machines. Isaac bhai, we are creating a virtual machine. We'll try to create a virtual machine. So now if you see, ये क्या error दे रहा है कि you do not have a subscription, and now it gives you an option to purchase a subscription. Let me get this annotation. I am sure guys, I hope guys you are getting this, because थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर वो mobile screen है. Okay, I think I will not get annotation वाला link यहाँ पर. So from here you can purchase, go up. इसके साथ में थोड़ा सा start, ये start दिख रहा है. Either from here click on start. And I think you'll have to, is it taking you to the sign up page again?
No, I think no, it is not taking.
Okay, yes, it is taking you to this page, subscription page. So this is one of the options, and click close this and go back again. We will go from subscriptions wala option वापस. Close this from the up, or go back to, yes, click on search, this search icon at the up top right hand corner. Click on subscriptions, click on subscriptions. Now you see guys, you don't have any subscription. Kumail had one subscription, hence he was able to see one subscription, right? Now click on add, and it is checking your eligibility for free offer. And you see Isaac bhai is eligible for free offer. Now click on start free, and if you want pay as you go, anyone can go ahead with pay as you go, but do not do that. Abhi फिलहाल उसमें मत पड़ो. And if you'll see, एक कहाँ पर ले गया, same page पर लेकर गया आपको. So either you can come from subscription, or you could click on start. Now agree and check both boxes and click next. Guys, anyone who is not able to get this, let me know, क्योंकि ये purchase हम बार बार नहीं करने वाले, ये एक ही बार repeat होगा. Anyone who is not getting it, आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, let me know. We'll stop, we'll ask Isaac bhai to wait for 2 minutes, and then we'll do it again. Anyone who is not getting it, forget the other part जो मैं कुमेल वाला समझा रहा था वो छोड़ो. As of now, we have created our account on Azure portal, and we are purchasing a subscription. इसमें किसी को कोई doubt है अब तक? And people who are thinking कि फिलहाल laptop नहीं है, those can see कि mobile पे भी वो हो सकता है. Isaac bhai has done it on phone, and we are doing it on phone. So anyone has any questions? Guys, do ask, because इसको हम repeat नहीं कर पाएंगे, because I do not want everyone to purchase subscription at this time and waste it. एक महीने में हम सारे use नहीं कर पाएंगे. Okay. Fine. Anyone else? I've got few messages. Fine. No questions. So यहाँ पर आप अपना card details ये करोगे. You could type your card details, Zach bhai. Session is about to finish in 10 minutes. So we'll start without any break. I hope CVV
So
is not. Yeah, type your card number. Sorry.
Any card, right?
Your credit card. It works only with credit cards.
Okay.
I hope no one is making. इसका कोई note
दूसरा
नहीं बना
OTP आएगा ना, मेरे को देना जरा. एक दूसरा OTP भी आएगा.
Or for if you're not comfortable, Isaac bhai, you could stop sharing or pause sharing for this थोड़े से time के लिए, and you can type your card details.
Sure.
Card details type करके next कर दो, because वो recording में रहेगा. It's not a good practice कि सबके पास card number चला जाए आपका. पता है सबकी billing आपको आ रही है.
So I had one doubt while Isaac is subscribing. So I think maybe because I'm not able to do it because it's already past 30 days since the time I created that tenant or directory. Is it because of that?
कभी भी directory बना लो, and you could use your free account. Maybe you're not eligible because they have already given you another subscription for free, right? वो जो Easy 104 के against आपको एक subscription दे दिया ना Microsoft ने free. So maybe that is the reason. If you try to sign up again with a new email address, I think you should get it. You never used did you use your PAN card number for that subscription?
No.
Then I think you should be.
I don't remember, I think. Because I think it directly just took up it just automatically took the details of that subscription free one which I was.
Okay, let's see, we will see that first. Let's see ये जो नया create हो रहा है उसको देखते हैं हम लोग. Ishaq bhai, once you are done with your credit card information, please share your screen again so others should be able to see it.
I see. Card holder name it is not taking. So,
Meanwhile guys, are you getting it? अब तक समझ में आ रहा है हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं फिलहाल?
Yeah.
ब्रेक हो रही है.
I need to put
What? No, you can't have a free subscription then. It is a must requirement of Microsoft Azure that you should have a credit card. But that's fine. अभी हम लोगों के पास इतने सारे subscription हो गए. I'm sure उसमें से हर एक के पास आपके पास ID होगा. So you will have sufficient accesses to use. And I told you I have my trainer's account. I will be giving you account on that. So you will definitely have plenty of resources to practice. Don't worry about that. But yes, you can't have your own account unless own subscription unless you have your credit card. Debit card पे नहीं चलता है वो. हाँ, but at least guys have your own account. Create your account on Azure's. Is it done or is it taking time?
processing. Yeah, it's
टाइम लगने वाला है तो I could share my screen और कुछ और एक टॉपिक कवर कर लेते. या हो गया almost.
it's done, yeah.
Okay. Wasim bhai, do you have any question? We can't hear you. If you have any questions, could you please type? आवाज बहुत आपका break हो रहा है. Okay, so Isaac is sharing the screen again.
Yeah, I got this screen agreement. Next.
Okay, so first you edit your card. Once it is added, then again you get that option to select that card. Yes, now you select that card. Sign up.
Yeah.
Submit. Did you click on submit?
Yeah, I did it.
Maybe it is waiting. Click on the above. Click on some smiley koi icon pick. Are you happy with it or no? Please do not share personal. Okay, it's done. Right.
Yeah.
Click on home again. Click on subscription. And see, you already got that. वहाँ पर already एक ये था. And do you guys see this upgrade button? Do not click on that upgrade button. It will take you to the page you go. By the way, ऐसा नहीं है कि upgrade पे click कर, we saw it already. वैसे कल देखा था हम लोगों ने वो screen पे कि upgrade करती है, upgrade कर देगा, ऐसा नहीं है वो. This is not some cheap social media site या कोई editing site वगैरह नहीं है कि एक one click you do and then it is done और आपका पैसा कट गया. वैसे नहीं होने वाला है कुछ. Don't worry. Even if you click on upgrade, it will ask your GST number, it will ask your PAN card number और दो चार और ये पूछेगा आपसे details पूछेगा and then it will upgrade, then it will start charging on your credit card. और इतना सब होने के बाद भी कुछ गलती से होता है, you can write to Microsoft always and you can say that I am a student learning purpose. Refund कर देते हैं वो, हर बार refund कर देते हैं. So don't worry. But as of now, till the time you are on free trial, don't worry कि मैंने कोई ज्यादा use कर लिया तो क्या होगा. It will not allow you to use beyond your limit. Don't think कि मैंने ये पेड सर्विस यूज कर ली तो क्या होगा. It will not allow you to जो फ्री टियर में एलिजिबल हो आप जिस चीज के लिए, वही वो आपको यूज करने देगा. उसके अलावा आप यूज नहीं कर पाओगे. So feel free and use whatever you want to use. So this is the subscription. This is how you get your subscription. Now click on home button again. click on virtual machine as if you want to create a new virtual machine. And see, he's getting an option. He could click on create and he could create a new virtual machine. Okay, but as of now, we are not creating any virtual machine. Ishaq bhai, click on close. I will show it to you guys now कि इस पे access कैसे ये करना है. ठीक है, click on close. ये जो close का बटन दिख रहा है ना, उसको close कीजिए upper right hand corner में. Now I want Ishaq to give me access so I can control his or maybe I can, he will be the owner obviously. I want, even I am an engineer in his company or maybe a partner or someone, though Ishaq has purchased it, but I want कि मुझको भी access होना चाहिए, right? So now I will show it to you guys कि कैसे करना है और किस level पे access दे सकते हैं. So could you click on subscription, Ishaq भाई?
Okay.
Click on free trial. Or from here you can click the cancel subscription, rename. Could you rename it, Ishaq भाई? First इसको आप अपने नाम से rename कर दीजिए, क्योंकि अभी free trial वाले बहुत से दिखने वाले हैं, so इसको personalize कर लेना हर कोई.
So where I have to edit rename here?
Yes, can you see the subscription name free trial जो लिखा है ना, वो editable field है. नहीं, not that. Click on rename again. हाँ, उसके नीचे दिख रहा है subscription name. वो एक हाँ, this is the editable field. So यहाँ पर आप अपना नाम दे दो या जो भी आपको देना है, any company नवी नेम जो भी आपको होगा, जिससे हमको पता चले कि ये आपका है. हाँ, ऐसा फ्री ट्रायल ऐसे कुछ भी दे सकते हो आप. एंड क्लिक सेव. ओके, स्क्रॉल डाउन कहीं पे आपको एक IAM का ऑप्शन दिखेगा. थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन को आप राइट या लेफ्ट करते हो, सो यू विल सी एन IAM ऐसा ऑप्शन दिखना चाहिए आपको. इट इज अ बिट डिफिकल्ट, बट एक बार आप मुझको एक्सेस दे दोगे ना, देन आई विल बी एबल टू ओपन दिस ऑन माय स्क्रीन एंड देन आई विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन फ्यू थिंग्स.
IAM.
लेफ्ट में होगा कहीं तो देखिए. Identity access management, that is what we are looking for, guys. Why do we use identity access management? To add new users on my subscription. Are you getting it, Ishaq bhai?
No.
The moment you click on subscription, subscription मतलब बड़ी स्क्रीन पे तो क्लियरली दिखता है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जो है आपको IAM दिखता है. टेल यू इट्स अंडर ओवरव्यू और एक्टिविटी लॉग के नीचे जो दिखता है वो है. सो डू यू सी ओवरव्यू?